to New Zealand and Australia, two great farming countries in the Southern Hemisphere. New Zealand, Aotearoa, or Land of the Long White Cloud, is home to about 4.5 million people. Almost half of them living in the three major cities of Auckland, Wellington and Christchurch. With almost 50,000 farmers, agriculture is the largest sector of the New Zealand economy and accounts for almost 70% of the country's exports. New Zealand is home to the world's largest pasture-based dairying industry, with more than 4.2 million cows across 12,000 farms. Another 30,000 properties run cattle, sheep or deer. About 1 million tonnes of cereals and fodder crops are grown on the country's 5,000 arable farms each year. Across the Tasman Sea is the great southern land of Australia, the world's largest island. And with an average rainfall of less than 600 millimetres, it's also the driest. Despite its massive size, more than 80% of Australia's 23 million residents live within 100 kilometres of the coast. Australia's 135,000 farms produce about $49 billion of wheat, beef, dairy, sheep, wool, sugarcane, cotton, fruit and vegetables each year. This includes about 20 million hectares of winter cereals, grain legumes and oilseeds. Serving the needs of farmers in both countries is Landpower, one of the largest privately owned distributors of farm machinery in Australasia. Based in Christchurch, this family-owned business has proudly represented CLAAS for more than 30 years.
By distance, we are by far the furthest away member of the CLAAS family. That's why the CLAAS family is so important here in our market. The level of commitment to our customers, technology and our people is what makes the CLAAS brand so successful, even here on the other side of the world.